All right, drink we're about to make is called a flaming. First thing we're going to do is get some beer and put about 8 ounces of beer in a glass. Any beer will work. And we'll kind of set that to the side there. And we're going to measure out half of a shot of amaretto. And half of a shot of whiskey. And last thing we're going to do is put a dash of grain alcohol on top. There we go. Now this is how you do this one. Special instructions here. We've got our beer and we've got our shot glass. We're going to go ahead and light the shot on fire. The Everclear on top should light very easily. And you're just going to drop it in and chug the beer. Bottoms up.